direct messaging, you really need to be careful with it. There's a lot of cringy sales training that I've been to. They're like, just blast everyone, message as many people as possible, and the more the better. And I think you can do a lot of damage. This is connected to your personal brand and your company's brand. You can do a lot of damage by kind of like blasting out direct messages. So I say use it carefully. If you are going to implement a direct message strategy, I would provide value. So don't say, hey, buy my stuff. This is who I am. This is what I have to offer. Me. But provide value. Hey, we have a webinar coming up. It's perfect for you. Or, hey, we are building this community. We'd love to connect you in. I think you'd have a lot to contribute to the community. So that's sort of content.